Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to add RAM to an ASUS laptop. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect all cables, including the power adapter. It's also wise to wear an anti-static wrist strap to protect internal components from static discharge. Make sure you have the correct type of RAM, like DDR4 or DDR5, and the right capacity for your specific ASUS model before you begin. Next, flip your laptop over and locate the screws on the back panel. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove all visible screws. Once the screws are out, carefully use a plastic spudger or your fingernail to gently pry open the back panel. With the panel removed, you'll see the internal components, including the RAM slots, which are usually near the center. Now, let's install the new RAM. If you're replacing old RAM, gently push the clips outward to release the existing module and remove it. Take your new RAM module, align the notch on the module with the notch in the slot, and gently push it down at about a 45-degree angle. Once seated, push down firmly until the side clips snap into place, securing the module. After installing the RAM, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring it clicks into place, and then replace all the screws you removed earlier. Now, power on your ASUS laptop. Once it boots up, navigate to your system information to verify that the new RAM is recognized. You should see the increased memory capacity listed, confirming a successful upgrade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.